So how about a little twist? Here, I'm not asking you to compute the derivative function for anything, but instead, let's go ahead and determine the equation of the tangent line to the graph of the equation y equals this trinomial at that particular value of x. Now, in using my basic 9th grade algebra skill set, if I'm really trying to create the equation of a line out of thin air, I immediately think of the point-slope formula. However, I'm not very comfortable with notation. Not that it's incorrect, but now that we're raising our level of sophistication, let me consider x of 1 as a. Therefore, I can think of y sub 1 as f of a. And I can think of m as f prime of a. So when I'm trying to find the equation of a tangent line given some function f, this is really how I write my point-slope formula from 9th grade algebra with updated notation. Now, technically speaking, in this example, I have an a value that is equal to 2. I'll put it in. And here I go, pulling out a nifty piece of scratch paper. I may have the symbol y here, but that represents f of x. So this is f of x. Therefore, f of 2 is generated by merely evaluating this trinomial when x is equal to 2. Likewise, and maybe just 2, I think possibly 3 videos ago, we found that f prime of x for this trinomial was such. So f prime of 2 is such. Got lucky, there's a saying, pure coincidence. Here is the equation of my line. If you don't mind, whenever I ask you such a question, if possible, could you please put your final answer in slope-intercept form? There is the equation of my tangent line to the graph of that equation at x equals 2 in slope-intercept form.